Snaggle emits an alarm call, warning the other clan members of the danger. The lion again attacks one of the pups. However, he doesn't kill it. Obviously, he's not trying to secure food. At this point, Snaggle's clanmates arrive. Backup, however, consists of only 4 stalwarts. By themselves, they stand no chance of winning. The lion grunts in a bid to impress them with his authority. He even urinates on the hyena's den to claim it as his own. At first, this behavior seems decidedly peculiar. Yet there is purpose in this madness. His intent is to impress upon them that he, not they, reigns supreme. Lion attacks on hyena pups are in fact not rare. Lions also often target adult hyenas. Indeed, 60% of hyena deaths are caused by lion attacks. Once the lion is gone, the hyenas rush back to their den. What has happened to the pup that came under attack?